let's take a look at quickly at,
I'll tell you the answer I got.
okay. What did you get?
I got 33 and 1/3.
Yes, 33 1/3 cubic meters. That's the answer. All right. Does anybody else have anything here? Good for you, Evan.
Number 8.
All right, so let's take a look at number 8. All right. So again, what I would want you to do is I'd want you to write down volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times h. You with me? Right, because the base is a circle. Now, what we said yesterday was this. We said that volume equals 1/3 base times height, right? But this pi r squared was something I was trying to convince you guys is the base area. Okay? So then on your calculator, you're just doing 1/3 times pi times 8 squared times 15. And somebody do that and tell me what that is. Did you get that?
1005.
How much?
1005.30.
1005.30309 centimeters cubed. Anybody else get that? Come on, everybody should be, looking at their notes saying, yes, that's what I got. If you didn't do it, then you should pull out your calculator and type it in and make sure you got the right answer.
Yeah, that one confused me because when I was reading it the first time, I didn't see it was coming.
Yep,
And I saw it was coming.
easy enough. All right, does anybody else now? Anybody else? Anybody else? Have anything that want me to look on? Double check. Okay, that's good news. All right, now flip. And now you're supposed to do surface area and volume of a sphere. Everybody pull that up. Shh, 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 shh. Everybody pull that up. All right. Now I asked the kids in the last class, we're doing surface area, all right, which again is just what? What does surface area mean? What does surface area mean?
The
Area of the
surface.
surface. Now, does everybody realize a ball or a sphere? How do you find the area? Why do you think it's a tricky thing to do?
Well, you just need to find the area of the ball, right?
Yeah, but why is finding the area of the ball? Why was that so difficult before we knew
Because there's not a
calculus?
flat surface.
There's not a flat surface. Very smart. There isn't a flat surface on a sphere. So to measure area was kind of weird. All right, because everything was a curve. All right, and then when you get to calculus, they'll show you how they did that actually. All right, it's really a cool idea. All right. However, the next thing was you do surface area and we also did volume. What is volume?
Volume is
What?
How many the surface like inches?
Yeah, but what are those little things you're measuring with?
The cube.
Yes.
Or you can see
Yes, volume is cubes. Now, once again, why is measuring volume of a sphere a little strange? Can't fit cubes in there. All right, but again, once you take calculus, they'll be able to tell you, all right, how exactly they came up with this formula. It's really fascinating. All right, but right now, you don't understand how they come up with the formulas. You just have to what? Accept that someone smarter than me figured all that out. So we do know the surface area formula and we do know the volume formula. So your job right now is to go on Safari and look up the two formulas. Put your hands down, look up both formulas, surface area and volume of a sphere. Surface area and volume of a sphere, and write it down. And then when I write it down, you can see if you agree with me. You better check that formula, girl. Check that formula. Shh. Come on, look it up, please.
sphere.
Volume and surface area of a sphere. You have to write two formulas on the top of your formula, on top of that worksheet. And then I'm going to put them up on the board and you can see if you were able to look up the formulas. And again, I'm shocked that kids can't look up formulas. You should never have to ask me, what's the formula for this? All right?
Okay.
I want volume and surface area of a sphere. That's what we're working on. Everybody should be able to look that up. V stands for volume. SA stands for surface area. Look it up, look it up, look it up. Now, one thing I want you to try to remember is volume is 3 dimensions. Surface area is 2 dimensions.
Yeah.
So volume, all right, volume should be 3 variables. Area should be how many variables? 2. All right. So that's what we're looking for. 30 more seconds.
Mr. Shaw, please.
I did.
Was all right?
Yes, but I wouldn't write it that way. We're big kids now. We don't write a division symbol, a line and 2 dots.
That's what I saw.
Division is what?
Slash.
Is a what? A division is a what? Fraction. Division is fraction. All right. So with that being said, guys, very, very simple. Here we go. Surface area. Josh, what did you find for surface area?
4 times 5 radius squared.
Yes. So everybody just writes down 4 pi r squared. And keep in mind, you're measuring area, so it would be units squared. Misha, what did you find for volume?
4/3.
That's correct.
Times radius cubed.
That is correct. 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. So now, what am I trying to get you to do? To remember the formulas. All right, I didn't give you a lot of work to do today, but you're going to have to write the formula down. All right, so for question number 1, everybody's writing surface area equals 4 pi r squared. What's the radius? 3. So everybody types in on their calculator, or write it down, not type in yet. 4 times pi times 3 squared. Then you put the approximate symbol. And now everybody do that on the calculator.
Got 113.0. 98.
9798, we're not worrying about it. Square feet. All right, now if you can't type that in the calculator, now we need to find out why. Anybody have an issue with that? Anybody have an issue? Ethan, you doing okay back there? Brennan? All right. Now, I'm just going to ask you something about number 2. What's the problem with number 2?
It's diameter.
That is the diameter.
The radius is 6.
So the radius would be 6. So now everybody's writing the formula one more time. Surface area equals 4 pi r squared. Now tomorrow it's a 0. I mean it. All right. I want the formula written however many times the examples we have. And now what was the radius again, Trey?
6.
So I need 4 pi times 6 squared. Somebody tell me what that is.
452.389.
That's what.
And then what?
Centimeters.
Centimeters squared.
Centimeters squared. Beautiful. Okay. Now I want everybody to quickly jump down to question number 9. Everybody jump down to question number 9. We're doing volume this time. So V equals, what do I got?
4/3 times pi r cubed.
Okay. Now, most people don't know how to do cube on the calculator, so I need everybody to look up on the board real quick. Look up, look up, look up. Believe it or not, you're going to type in 4/3 pi times, and then in this case, what's the radius? Somebody help me. What is the radius? Help me with the radius. 10.8. Thank you, whoever said that. Then on the calculator, to do something to the 3rd power, some of your calculators have this, caret. and then you do 3. All right, that's how you do to the 3rd power.
Can you show me where carrot? Oh, is it this like
No,
triangle? possibly?
It's right there on the board. I have it written down. This, all right, is what the caret key is. All right. Now, the reason why I'm asking you is because if you don't know how to do it, then someone last class did them all wrong. I had to go back and show them. All right, everybody can find the caret key on your calculator. If you can't find the caret key, sometimes it's y to the x. Some calculators, it's x to the y. All right. But Logan, what is the answer to number 9? Come on, 4/3 times pi times 10.8 cubed.
Yeah, Mr. Shaw, it's really hard for me if I can find it.
And then this is what? What measurement? Centimeters cubed. What's the matter?
I couldn't find it.
You can't find what?
Oh, okay.
Hello? Yeah? Yeah? No? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so can I send them in a minute? Okay, hold on. So Ally, Logan, I know, Ethan, and yes, Riley. Okay, they have to go see Mr. Williams. All right, just a minute. I don't know what you guys are doing. Okay, good. Here we go. Shh. Here we go. Now, did you find it?
Yeah, do I have to hit the carrot? Do I have to hit the carrot thingy 3 times?
No, you just hit caret 3.
Oh, okay.
All right, just do caret 3. So you do, now again, make sure you're typing this in. 4/3 times pi times 10.8 caret 3. If you get 5,276.669, you know how to do it. If you didn't get that, then it's wrong. Unless someone can tell me, is that verified?
No, I got it.
Is everybody got it?
Here we go.
All right. Now, again, right here, all right, every single time you write your formula, then you plug the number in, then you use your calculator, then you write down the answer rounded to 3 decimal places. That's the idea. All right. Anybody have any questions? All right. It's a very simple day today. I want it finished. All right. Those people that I called, you have to leave now. Go see Mr. Williams for whatever reason. All right. Everyone else, all right, get the work done.